I'm really tired of reading these books of the same genre. Do you have some interesting recommendations for me?
So are you also bored of reading the same old genre? Don't worry, I got your back. I have the perfect list of books written by some famous authors with disability.
So the first on the list is Sitting Pretty by Rebecca Taussig. तो रिबेका जब 14 मंथ्स की थी, she was diagnosed with cancer that attacked her spine. और वो ढूंढ रही थी कुछ जवाब for better depictions of people with disability. लेकिन as an adult उन्होंने वो जवाब खुद क्रिएट किए.
The next book on the list is The Pretty One by Kia Brown. हमने अपने बचपन से ये सुना है कि never judge a book by its cover. Look at their mind, see through their heart, know who they are before you act. इस बुक में किया ब्राउन ने इसी चीज का जिक्र किया है और एम्फसाइज किया है कि look past what people can't do and see what they can.
So the third book on the list is The Deaf-Blind Woman Who Conquered Harvard Law by Haben Girma. Haben Girma is a disability rights advocate who was the first deaf-blind woman who graduated from Harvard Law School. तो ये कहानी है from being a Harvard graduate to now advocating for people with disability. ये कहानी है from isolation to world stage. So the next book of the series is Being Human by Judith Human. This is about one of the most influential disability rights activists in the entire US history. ये है उनकी पर्सनल कहानी कि किस तरह उन्हें एक सिंपल एजुकेशन, जॉब और डे टू डे लाइफ के लिए भी लड़ना पड़ा.
Last but not the least, Disfigured by Amanda Leddock. अमांडा लेडक अपने इस किताब में अपने सेरेब्रल पैल्सी को को-रिलेट करती है एक फेरी टेल की कहानी के साथ, जहां फेरी टेल की कहानी में शुरुआत हमेशा होप्स देती है बट एंड्स आर ऑलवेज प्रॉब्लमेटिक. अमांडा काफी ब्यूटीफुली पेन करती है कि किस तरह डिसेबिलिटी शुड नॉट बी कंसिडर्ड एज अ पनिशमेंट and the person should be considered as a protagonist, cementing a lead role in the story of life.
To all the book lovers out there, these books are a must read for each and every one of you.
And if you have any other suggestions, do let us know in the comment box.